What's up, you guys? For people who are new here, this is Hinanshi Sangvi. I hope you all are safe and fine, and welcome back to my channel. Ta da 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 da. So guys, in today's video, as you all have already seen day 1 Udaipur vlog, अगर नहीं देखा है तो जाके जल्दी से देखो. Anyways, this video is about day 2 Udaipur vlog, and in the end of the video, I'm gonna tell again about all the expenses that we did, so that y'all, if y'all go to Udaipur, y'all can cut down on your expenses. So let's get started. So now we are on our way to Kumbhalgarh Ranakpur. बहुत ठंडी है, सुबह 7 बजे, and for the first time we woke up early and we are kind of on time. है ना?
We are half an hour late as well.
That is a very big lie.
For us.
बोल है. So apparently it was so early in the morning and even so cold. Yet एक time पे ठंडी बिल्कुल नहीं लगती है. We got down over here and we did a shoot for like more than 45 minutes. That's exactly how you waste time when you're on time, lol. It was so pretty that we had to stop and click some pictures. I mean, look at it. So now we have reached the Kumbhalgarh fort and we are climbing. ऊपर जा रहे हैं. And the best part is it has world's second longest wall in the world.
सारे जो टेम्पल्स है ना, जिसमें अभी वो वैदिक टेम्पल, गणेशा टेम्पल ये सब बता रहे वो
Prachi, tour guide, 3 cheers for Prachi. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Jain temple which have
So we have reached the highest point in Kumbhalgarh and the wind is too much, like literally too much. See the view. It's so pretty and it's so nice. That's the wind. So there were a few photographers who were clicking random pictures like of the fort and all, and like I modeled for them and they clicked really nice pictures of mine, and also you can check out those pictures on Instagram. Prachi! Prachi! And right now, guess where am I standing? I'm standing at the second longest wall, which is this. Can you all see? There is no network out here and I don't know where Prachi and Mishwa are. So this is what we are doing. We are shouting out loudly and let's see. Prachi! Kidhar? Kidhar ho? And I spotted them finally.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. अभी हम लोग व्लॉग में नीचे उतर रहे हैं, हम लोग बहुत डरे हुए हैं. Please pray for us that we reach home safely. Hey guys, welcome to Prachi's channel.
So right now we reached Ranakpur, which was 1 hour from Kumbhalgarh, and this place is known for
आदिनाथ भगवान का टेम्पल जिसमें बहुत सारी कार्विंग्स है एंड अ लॉट ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर व्हिच इज वेरी रिमार्केबल.
and you all can see the temple which is here. So now we went back to the room क्योंकि कपड़े तो चेंज करने ही है, इतने आउटफिट्स लाए हैं तो. Now we are going to the Jagdish market.
For shopping.
Yay! Shopping the best of Rajasthan, the kurtis, oh my god. So we were not just shopping but also exploring the chota chota rastas of Udaipur. What were you saying, Prachi?
डे 2 के खत्म होने के टाइम पे हमको सिटी ऑफ लेक्स में पहली लेक का दर्शन हो रहा है।
देखो इतने बिजी स्केड्यूल वाले हम लोग हैं। We entered this beautiful shop at Gangor Ghat which had amazing antiques, all the best of Udaipur, pillow covers, typical Rajasthani stuffs, paintings, sculptures and so much that you can gift and even buy for yourself.
No, it's all handmade paintings with stone color.
Stone colors,
Stone
handmade
color.
painting.
Medium,
God.
medium is water.
Detailing काफी अच्छी है.
जी. Elephant is good luck.
Elephant is good luck.
Horse is power.
Horse is power.
And camel is symbol of love.
And it's painted by you.
Painted by me. Yes.
This is exactly the type of art that we all need to actually discover and give light to, because it's so nice and amazing, and India has beautiful artists, and it's just a matter of time that we discover them. UP, I got a kurti from here which I have worn in the start of the video, and I'm going to talk about it in the end. Time for some local shopping and just roaming on the streets of Udaipur at night.
और मेरी बहनों शॉपिंग करके मजा आई।
अभी तो
थोड़ा
बाकी है।
थैलियाँ दिखाओ सारी।
ये रही, इसके अंदर 2 थैली है। आओ।
That's the Sun and Moon Cafe. It's known as one of the best cafes in Udaipur, and it has a really nice view. But more than the view, the vibe at this place is so nice. It's so good to go there, chill. Like if I would have time, I would have gone there every day. So we sat here for like 1.5 hours and we did our dinner over here only. उसके बाद गंगोर घाट के उधर हम लोग ने एक गली खोपचा ढूंढा, and then we went inside and sat by the lake, and it was so peaceful. That's the mess of the room in just 2 days, जिसमें हम लोग पूरा दिन रूम पे रहे नहीं है तो भी. So guys, as you all have already seen that we were staying in Vishnu Priya, that I've shown in day 1 vlog, and we were not sure if the room was too good, so we booked only for 1 night. But now that I've already shown you all the room and I liked the hotel, so we booked it for more 2 nights. So Go Ibibo was showing approximately 2,200 per room with breakfast. We booked it in 1,500 per room without breakfast. So what we did is we approached the reception desk at Vishnu Priya, and we spoke to them and we said that we want it with breakfast, but make it a reasonable price. So they reduced it to 1,800. So instead of buying the room for 2,200 on Go Ibibo, we directly bought it for 1,800. So if we would have booked the car for the whole day, it would have cost approximately 5,000 rupees. When divided by 4, it's 1,250 just for the traveling. So guys, this is the kurti that I got. It's a long kurti which has an elephant print on it, and it's pretty good, and just for 350 rupees. Overall, we paid 2,300 to the cab driver, which was exclusive of tolls. Tolls was another 200, so total of 2,500 approximately, because I didn't remember the price of the tolls properly. So the complete cost for day 2 was 1,800 divided by 2, 900 per person for the room, 625 per person for the travel from Udaipur to Kumbhalghat, Ranakpur and back. 15 rupees for the entry ticket to Kumbhalghat Fort, 60 rupees for the lunch we had at Ranakpur. We'll catch around 50 rupees for the local auto travel that we did for shopping and return. And we had gone to Sun and Moon Cafe, so like 100 rupees per person over there. So the total comes up to 1,750 rupees per person for day 2. I mean, obviously I have not included the amount of shopping we have done in this, because सबने अलग-अलग shopping किया तो सबके price अलग है. Now, if you all don't want to shop, you all can just do window shopping. Yeah, that's how we reduced our cost for day 2. Now, stay tuned for more videos, and I'm gonna upload day 3 really soon. So yeah, bye.